Cosplay, short for costume play, allows people to step into the shoes of their favorite fictional characters, from anime heroines to comic book villains. Crossdressing, meanwhile, is about expressing oneself in clothing and appearances typically associated with another gender. When these two practices intersect, they create an environment where gender fluidity and creative self-expression merge. For crossdressers, cosplay can offer an exciting and liberating way to embody characters that align with their gender identity or push its boundaries. Whether you're dressing as a fierce warrior, a princess, or a superhero, cosplay can allow you to explore and express your feminine side in a fun and socially acceptable context. The world of cosplay welcomes creativity and diversity, making it an inclusive space for crossdressers to shine. Cosplay as a phenomenon traces its roots back to Japan, particularly within the anime and manga fandoms, but it has since become a global movement. The early 2000s saw the rise of gender-bending cosplay, where cosplayers challenged traditional gender roles by dressing as characters of the opposite gender. This opened the door for crossdressers to explore cosplay in a new way. Gender-bending cosplay blurs the lines of traditional masculinity and femininity, allowing crossdressers to fully embrace the art form. Many crossdressers see cosplay as an extension of their love for fashion and makeup, while also creating a safe space to explore their identity. Notable cosplayers like Hikaru, who have built large followings while bending gender roles in cosplay, have inspired others to follow in their footsteps. These individuals have helped normalize crossdressing in cosplay, making it more accessible and widely accepted. Getting started in cosplay can feel daunting, especially if you're both new to it and to crossdressing. But don't worry, you don't have to be an expert seamstress or makeup artist right away. Like any hobby, the key to success is starting small, learning as you go, and most importantly, having fun. One of the biggest challenges for new cosplayers is overcoming the fear of judgment, especially for crossdressers who are still exploring their feminine side. It's essential to remember that cosplay is all about creativity, and there's no right way to do it. If you're nervous about getting started, consider joining online cosplay communities where you can connect with supportive individuals. The first step to getting started is choosing a character to cosplay. It could be someone you admire, someone whose personality resonates with you, or simply someone with a costume you love. The most important thing is that you feel comfortable and confident in your choice. As a crossdresser, this could also be an opportunity to pick characters that help you explore your femininity in a way that feels fun and authentic. Whether online or in person, cosplay communities can be a valuable resource for beginners. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Reddit have dedicated cosplay groups where you can find tutorials, advice, and encouragement. You can also attend local comic conventions or anime events, which often welcome crossdressers and cosplayers alike. Creating your first cosplay costume might seem overwhelming, but there are various ways to make it a smooth and enjoyable process. You don't have to create something extravagant for your first attempt. There are plenty of beginner-friendly methods to try. If you're a beginner, you may want to start with a simple costume. Characters with minimalist outfits or more accessible designs are great starting points. For example, a character like Sailor Moon has a relatively simple school uniform and iconic accessories, making it a favorite for first-timers. If you're skilled with a sewing machine, you can try crafting your own costumes from scratch, but don't be afraid to buy pre-made costumes or modify existing clothing if you're not confident in your sewing skills yet. You don't need to make an entire costume at once. Begin with smaller pieces and work your way up. For example, start with the wig and makeup, and then move on to accessories before completing the whole outfit. This method not only makes the process more manageable but also gives you time to perfect each element of your look. If you're looking to create your own costume, you'll need some basic materials like fabric, sewing supplies, and crafting foam for props. Local craft stores or online retailers like Amazon and Etsy offer affordable options for cosplay materials. For those on a budget, thrift stores are also a great place to find pieces you can alter and repurpose for your costume. Accessories and makeup are essential to bringing your cosplay character to life, especially for crossdressers who want to emphasize feminine features. A good wig can transform your entire look. Whether your character has long, flowing hair or a short bob, choosing the right wig is critical to nailing your cosplay. Synthetic wigs are a great starting point, as they are affordable and come in a wide range of styles and colors. If you're comfortable styling wigs yourself, you can also customize them to match your character's unique look. Makeup is another vital aspect of cosplay, particularly for crossdressers looking to enhance their femininity. Contouring, highlighting, and using bold colors are common techniques in cosplay makeup. For cross-dressing cosplayers, it's essential to focus on softening facial features and enhancing aspects of the character you're portraying. There are plenty of online tutorials that show how to feminize your face using makeup techniques specific to cosplay. From weapons to magical wands, props help complete your cosplay. While some props can be bought online, many cosplayers opt to make their own using materials like foam, PVC pipes, or cardboard. If you're new to prop making, start with something small and gradually work up to more complex designs. Your cosplay costume is likely a labor of love, so proper care is essential to ensure it lasts for future conventions or photo shoots. Many cosplay outfits contain delicate materials, so always read the labels before washing. Hand washing or spot cleaning is often the safest option, especially for costumes with intricate details. If you're using a wig, invest in a wig stand and some mild wig shampoo to keep it looking fresh. Costumes should be stored in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to prevent fading. Hanging costumes in garment bags helps to avoid wrinkles and keep them in pristine condition. For props, consider using foam padding to prevent damage. After a few wears, your costume may start to show signs of wear and tear. Keep a small sewing kit on hand for quick fixes, and be prepared to replace accessories or touch up paint on props as needed. Cosplay, especially as a crossdresser, can sometimes attract unwanted attention from trolls and bullies online. Unfortunately, negative comments are a reality in many creative communities, but you don't have to let them discourage you. Trolls thrive on negativity, often targeting cosplayers who challenge gender norms. It's important to recognize when a comment is genuinely constructive or if it's meant to tear you down. Don't let negative comments diminish your passion for cosplay. Focus on the supportive comments from people who appreciate your creativity. Remember, your cosplay journey is about expressing yourself, not pleasing others. While it's tempting to engage with trolls, it's often best to ignore them. Blocking or muting negative commenters can prevent you from getting drawn into harmful conversations. If you feel comfortable, you can also report harassment to platform moderators. Surround yourself with fellow cosplayers and crossdressers who understand your journey. A strong support system can make a world of difference, helping you to stay motivated and confident in your cosplay endeavors. Cosplay is a thrilling and creative way for crossdressers to explore their gender identity while having fun with characters they love. From choosing a character to perfecting your costume, every step of the process can bring you closer to expressing your true self. Remember, cosplay is about enjoying the journey, so don't be afraid to experiment and embrace your creativity. Whether you're attending conventions, joining online communities, or just cosplaying for fun, the most important thing is to have confidence and take pride in your unique cosplay creations. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.